Hello everyone and welcome back to the Alteryx Tutorial Challenge channel. I am Mark Thompson and I am with Watermark Data. This afternoon's challenge we're going to be taking a look at number 26. It's fundamental and it's our first touch, I think, on looking at geospatial. Geospatial looks to analyze distances and movement and space. So for this challenge, what we have is, and it's laid out here, but I'll summarize. We have a company that wants to take a look at how far their technicians are driving each day from the hotel to the job site, back to the hotel. So we've got this piece of information, and you see the hotel, the location, and each one's a different day. This is called a geospatial object, and it's a point. It's a centroid. And so we take a look at how far they go from the hotel to the job site to the hotel. Right now, we're looking at our input data. It's in a text file or a text input. Let's put a record on it. So we call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a multi-row formula. We've spoken about multi-row before. In this case, we are grouping by date. We're calling it a stop. We create a new field, and it's a very simple formula. It's just saying 1 plus row. So you can see out here, we're calling it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, we do another multi-row formula. And what we have done on this one is we have taken what is the next spatial object. So on record 1, we're taking this and we're saying spatial object from row 1 plus. So this is the row, this is row 1 plus. So what we have is we now have over here in next stop, we have this on the same record. We've gone from the hotel to our next record, which we put in the same row. The next piece of information that we want is to gather information about this. This is a distance tool. It comes from the spatial, and it can give you various pieces of information. In our case, we're doing miles, and we're using the TomTom data set. Now, you can do this as a straight line drive, or you can do it as a drive time. I chose to use it as a drive time at TomTom peak hours. That provides us 3 different fields: the distance, the time driven, and the drive distance. So this is a straight line distance. This is a drive time. And to do that, we've got to drive this far. The next thing we want to do is we filter. We say, okay, anything that's in the stop column that's equal to 3, and please go back here for just a moment. You can see as I touch from one to the other, it's getting rid of that third stop, because we want to know, we've already incorporated that. We want to know from the hotel to the job site and back to the hotel. And so this goes from job site to this goes from hotel to job site, and the second one would go from job site to hotel. So we filter out the end of the day, and then we want to identify what's the summary of each day. So this says, we come over here to our summary tool and we say summarize. We group it by the date, and then we sum the distance miles, right? And what we end up with is right there. Day 1, day 2, and day 3. And this matches up if you take a look at the solution. As always, I'm Mark Thompson. Please hit like, please hit share, and as always open to comments. If you like it, hit share, hit share, hit share. Let your friends know about it, and we will see you next time. This is Mark Thompson, Watermark Data. Thank you.